Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week we have our Boxycharm box. It finally came in the mail. I will be opening it here on camera for you today. It is the September Boxycharm box. Before we get started, please take the time to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let's get today's video started. Boom, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started on today's Boxycharm unboxing. I've seen a little bit of what's in the box. I usually try to avoid any video at all costs of what's in the box, but since I do have an idea of what's in the box, all I have on is a blank face. This is what it looks like when you open the box. This month we have Boxycharm All Access. Wow, an eyeshadow palette. Okay, stop. I was expecting a face palette, but this is cool too. This is cool. This is cool too. I mean, we love surprises.
We have shades cream, sand, terracotta, gold, emerald, pink, dusty rose, plumberry, cinnamon,
and black.
Okay, good black. Cinnamon. Plumberry, dusty rose, pink, emerald and gold, sand and terracotta, pretty, and then you've seen cream. I'm a little sand. I mean, this is cute. But I really wanted a face palette. I was excited. That's all I wanted. I even showed somebody at work. They wanted to know what the Boxycharm was, and I was showing them the website and how you can see the previous boxes, and it showed me the current box, and it had the face palette in the box with bronzer and blush and highlighter. Oh! But that is not the box I got, so that's okay. Let's see what's next. We have the opened Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. It supposedly deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. How much was it? $52? What? $52? What the fuck? Let's see what else we got. Yay! Another brush set, and it's cute. They have grips on them. All right, Boxycharm. Okay, I see you. So we'll use this and this, so that's fun. So fun. This month we also received Hank and Henry Slick With It Blickety Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. Also, we have the $1 Billion Brows, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. The brow pen is $18, the Blickety Black eyeliner costs $20, and the 5-piece brush set comes to $27.95. Well, that's specific. Let's open our brushes up. Okay, all right. Look at that textured handle, you guys. We have a liner eyebrow brush. We have a crease brush. We have a shade brush. We have what they call a detail brush, and we have a smudger brush, which I do not own one of these, so that's cool. Well, let's test out our products, I guess. Since I didn't get my face palette, I'll just bronze up real quick. Since I didn't contour on purpose, just so I could test out some new contour. Let's try out our Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. Let's dip into this dusty rose color. Oh, wow. I like the color. Let's use sand to kind of deepen the crease a bit. Oh wait, no, that just changed the color completely. Wow. Let's deepen that with terracotta. Let's go back in with our shader brush and blend that out. Let's take cream, which is the white kind of highlighter shade. And we're just gonna take our finger and go on this inner corner. Wow, not mad at that. Let's take our shade brush and blow it out with gold. We're gonna blow it out all the way to the eyebrow. Boxycharm looks are always the most interesting looks, if you ask me. We gotta take a color underneath the eye. Let's use our detail brush and let's go in with emerald. Why not? Hold on, wait. I need moisture. I blended it out with gold just a little bit. It's really not too off. I mean, let's use our Hank and Henry Slick With It Blickety Black pen. Oh, it's a brush. Nice. Wow, I'm not mad about the pen. Oh my God, if you don't let your arm rest, you will almost always mess up. So that's the Blickety Black pen. We love that. That's a really nice pen. We will be using that in the future. We have the shade brush, the crease brush. We have the detail brush, the smudger brush. And for the liner brush, we are going to put it with our liner brushes. The Essentials palette, we are going to put our plastic back in. I would say it was a 6 out of 10. We have one more product to try, and that is our $1 Billion Brows Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This is what the head looks like. Do I have to? This is what the head looks like. I don't know, like, I just don't know. This is what happens when you do it on your skin. So I just don't know. Like what? Okay, alright. Okay, brow pen. Looking like hair fibers. I see you, Beach. This is something I can get into if I can figure out how to work it. Yeah, I can get into this. This is my Tarte Big Ego that I got in my August box. For our bottom lashes, I am not that brave, so we are going to use this really, really skinny waterproof mascara. Ooh, I didn't put on any eyeliner. I'll throw on some brown real quick just to darken it up a bit. Let's use this setting spray since I'm almost out of my Morphe. Throw on some blush. Some highlight. All right, everyone, that concludes our September Boxycharm box. I had a lot of fun with this look. I was a little disappointed that I didn't get my face palette like I anticipated, but I will settle with the eyeshadow palette. It is a solid 6 out of 10, and I appreciate its colors. I really, really appreciate the eyeliner. Maybe I'll start using pens more often because if you ask me, I did pretty damn good. Before you guys leave tonight, remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please, I hope you have left a comment by now. If you haven't, leave me a comment and let me know what the fuck is the tea tonight, Beach. Good night, guys. I love you. Woo! I really enjoy this eyeliner. Look. That is beautiful, bitch. Okay, have a good night. I'll see you next week. Bye.
Hello. Your call cannot be taken at the moment, so please leave your message after the tone.